I've always been a La Roche-Posay girl, but sorry La Roche-Posay, this has just taken the place of La Roche-Posay. I got this for under £2. Can you imagine? £7, £2. Maintenance is key to what? Beauty. So let me show you guys. These are the products that I have today, and these are basically products I have used up and repurchased immediately. So let's start with this one. This is my SPF, the one I use on my body. I'm going to just, put a little bit on so that you see what I'm talking about. You see why I just had to replace this. This is the Vichy Capital Soleil, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, SPF 50+, UVB, UVA, long UVA, antioxidants. In a nutshell, this is an SPF and I use it on my body. And I use just a little bit on my hair as well. Honestly, this is, like during summer, I don't joke with this. Imagine having to finish a bottle and then repurchasing it. Come on, who does that? Oluchi. So this is one product that I think I just discovered it last year and I thoroughly love it. I'm obsessed with it, not just because it protects the skin, it's an SPF, but because it leaves my skin very glowy. If you know me, you know that I'm a glow queen. I love my oils, I love my skin glistening, because come on, this black skin needs to glisten. I love me glowy skin, and this gives me that. This is not heavy at all, and I must say, on holiday I have used it on my face on one or two occasions. My face was a tad bit too glowy, but I did not mind and it did not break me out. That's the good thing. And I also use it on all my family members, I mean especially when we're on vacation. But this, trust me, before I go out, even if the sun is not intense, even if a lot of times I use it just to make my skin glisten when I'm wearing maybe shorts, or I just want my body to be on fleek and I'm going out, I use it. So that's just why I had to repurchase it. Now moving on to the second product that I've repurchased this summer is another sunscreen, and it's the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Moisture Airlift Daily Sunscreen. I don't know when I discovered this, maybe last year or last 2 years, but ever since I discovered it, sorry La Roche-Posay, they took its place, because I've always been a La Roche-Posay girl, but this has just taken the place of La Roche-Posay. So this for me is both a moisturizer and an SPF. It's just so amazing, and the best part too is that I also use it because whatever I use and my kids are able to use it, then I'm sold. Because of course kids, like, I'm very particular about what they use and I'm very particular about what I use, but this does it for me. It is just so good, even though sometimes I find that it's a tad bit too thick. But what I do is that I make sure before I apply it, I blot off excess oils on my face, then I apply it on my skin. I'm just going to put a little bit for you guys to see how this works on the skin. It just, it doesn't leave that white cast, especially being really dark skinned like me. Can you see how it blends into the skin? It's just like a moisturizer. Honestly, this for me is just amazing. And the best part, I think I got this one from Boots. I don't remember how much I got it, but I then got this one from TK Maxx. Honestly, this is the second one I'm getting from TK Maxx. TK Maxx always has some unique products that at a very juicy rate. Come on, who doesn't like a good bargain? So that's it for this product. And the next product that I repurchased, I just had to get back, or more like it's on subscription, is my Dermatica. This is my Tretinoin with azelaic acid and tranexamic acid. Basically, this is what I use at nighttime, and I have been using this product, Tretinoin, or this formulation since 2020. So you can imagine, I'm that person that I stick to a product if it works for me, and this has been doing wonders and is still doing wonders in my life. And of course, I just have to, repurchase it. So honestly, if you have skin concerns and you want that tailored treatment at a decent price, you cannot afford to go to expensive estheticians, dermatologists, maybe you can start off by trying out Dermatica. I believe they might be in the US, but I'm here in the UK, they are, like, I highly recommend them, and I have recommended so many people to try them, and personally I can see results because they're basically like an online dermatologist or whatever. And like I said, if you are on a budget, you cannot afford the expensive one-to-one walk-ins, try Dermatica. They will surely help you, trust me, to an extent. I mean, you can start from there, and the good thing is that their treatments are tailored, so whatever you're going to get is not, will most likely not be what I'll get, because your skin concern is not going to, it's not my skin concern. Now let's talk about this. This is the Bioderma, and this I got it at the airport. I don't remember how much I got it, but from my phone I can see it's about £7, so it's between £6.50 to £7 for 100 ml worth of products of Bioderma. Then again, I went to Lidl. I saw this. This is just basically very similar to Bioderma. This is Micellar water, and this is 400 ml. I got this for under £2. Can you imagine? £7, £2, 100 ml, 400 ml. So here we're looking at, I got this 4 times of this for under £2. Can you beat that? I'm a bargain princess. Honestly, this does the job for me. It takes makeup off. It does not sting. It just does the job. And for that price, come on, I'm going to stick to the micellar water from Lidl. And yes, so these are basically the products that I have repurchased this summer. And you know what, there are other products that I have repurchased, but I do not have the empties, because who keeps empties? For some reason, it was when I was like, okay, it would be good to come on YouTube, you know, show my empties and show the actual products I repurchased. I then kept this one. So these ones I genuinely swear by. They work for Oluchi, and Oluchi will keep using them till maybe she sees something that's even better. But for now, I will keep repurchasing them, and these are the products that I have repurchased this summer. So I will be sure to do more videos like this. Let me know if you want more like this or more, you know, just whatever it is. Drop them in the comment section. And honestly, if you have used any of these products as well, let me know your thoughts, because I know that with the SPF, the Haru Haru Wonder one, I have someone who slid into my DM one day. I put it up, you know, excited about the price. She was like, oh no, she doesn't like it if it felt too heavy for her and everything. But you know, it's not one size fits all. What's good for the goose might not be good for the gander. So that, with all that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.